Oh yeah. Listen up, government. You can't just change the rules. We see right through you. Let's go. You can't just pass a statute because you hate my face. You can't write up a legislative trial to clear the space. When a law targets a person or a specifically named group, to lock them out of freedom or to put them in a loop without a day in court. Yeah, you try to pass the blame, but the Constitution says you cannot play that dirty game. That's a bill of attainder. No, you cannot target me. The federal and state governments must let the people be in. Post Facto law is a retroactive crime. You cannot change the rules and try to trap me in time. No bills of attainder, no post facto fines. The Constitution stops you every single time. Now let's talk about the history, let's talk about the past. It took a little action that was legal at the time. It was completely legal on the day you made your move, but now they pass a statute with a brand new point to prove. They're trying to criminalize what was totally okay, but the system cannot bend the rules to retroactively pay. That's a bill of attainder. No, you cannot pick on me. The federal and state governments must let the people be in. Post facto law is a retroactive crime. You cannot change the rules and try to trap me in time. No bills of attainder, no post facto lines. The Constitution stops you every single time. Hold up, let's break it down real quick so you don't forget. The bill of attainder, that's when the legislature plays judge and jury, expressly punishing an individual or a named group. Both feds and states absolutely banned. Ex post facto, that's trying to cover prior acts. It was legal when I did it, honey. You can't make it a crime after the fact. The timeline runs forward, not backward. Case dismissed. That's a bill of attainder. No, you cannot pick on me. The federal and state governments must let the people be in. Post facto law is a retroactive crime. You cannot change the rules and try to lock me up in time. No bills of attainder, no post facto lines. The Constitution stops you every single time. Yeah, keep it in the present. Don't look at my past. Named individuals, you can't touch us. Feds and the states, hands off the clock. Post facto, no, no. Attainder, goodbye.